ARK sells the last of its ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF shares, and Consensys files a lawsuit against the SEC. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. ARK sold the last of its ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF shares. The investment firm sold 237,983 BITO shares worth $6.7 million from its next-generation internet ETF. ARK bought more than 4 million BITO shares late last year as a short-term play in anticipation of the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. The plan was always to swap them once approval came. Meanwhile, its own ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF is now the fund's largest holding. Thursday's closing price was $64.76. Consensys, one of the main supporters of the Ethereum network, filed a lawsuit against the U.S. SEC on Thursday. The development company said on X that the SEC should not be allowed to arbitrarily expand its jurisdiction to regulate the future of the internet by wrongly labeling ETH as a security, and that the SEC's reckless approach is bringing chaos to developers, market participants, and more. Consensys added that through this lawsuit, it hopes to ensure that Ethereum remains a vibrant and indispensable blockchain platform. And Bitcoin-linked stablecoin firm OpenDelta has raised just over $2 million. The startup is one of the first to build tokenized tech for Bitcoin's runes era. The CEO said, quote, "We want to use Bitcoin to create stable value in a fiat-dominated currency," end quote. OpenDelta's flagship token, USDO, will retain its dollar value by hedging Bitcoin deposited by users as collateral. The token won't go live until May, and even then, it will only be open to waitlisters in a closed beta. That's a wrap for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.